Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might sound a little intimidating. Switching payroll providers. You may want to explore new payroll options for various reasons. Perhaps your business has grown and your existing payroll system no longer offers the features and functionality you need. Maybe you're experiencing slow response times or difficulty getting the support you need and deserve. And let's face it, budgets are tight. If you found a more competitive rate with another provider, it may be worth considering a switch. But before jumping ship, take some time for strategic planning. What are your absolute must-have features and functionalities? These could include integrated time and attendance, mobile access for employees, integration with your accounting software, or robust reporting tools. Explore different payroll providers and compare their features, pricing, and customers' reviews. Don't hesitate to request quotes to get a clear picture of their offerings. Keep your team informed throughout the process. Explain the reasons for the switch and address any concerns they might have. Review your current contract for termination clauses and any required notice period. Consider how you transfer employee payroll data, like pay rates and tax information, into the new system. Now, once you have chosen a new provider, it's time to put the plan into action. So prepare all necessary employee and tax data for your new provider for a smooth setup. Again, your new provider will be able to assist you with this process. Work with your new provider to configure your payroll settings and integrate them with your existing HR and accounting software. Ensure accurate payroll processing with a test run before going live. Train your team on the new system to minimize confusion. Now, we encourage you not to switch providers in the middle of a pay period. This helps avoid any processing errors and ensures a smooth transition for employees with no interruption in their pay. Now, following the switch, maintain clear communication with your new provider. Remember, they're a resource to answer any questions and help to ensure a seamless experience for you and your valued employees. By following these steps and prioritizing clear communication, you can make it a positive change for your business. And perhaps you are considering a switch. Please don't hesitate to contact our team of experts at GTM for personalized guidance. You can visit us at gtm.com/business or call us at 518-373-4111. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful business tips. And hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. In the meantime, check out these two related videos you might find helpful.